Okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. Let's wait. I know what you're thinking, what are we waiting for? I'm waiting for y'all to smash the like button, hit the comment section, because I want all the smoke of what you think is going on. Then I want you to subscribe and stay tuned. So we're gonna wait until we get about a couple of likes on the video, then we'll start. That's more like it. Anywho, my team right now is working on getting this flooring done and replaced for this back porchway. The dryer will go there. We're gonna get the floors done. My team has been working around the clock, get all of this cleaned up. Floors installed back there, more storage, as you can see. And then these are the floors that I'm going with. Shout out to Lightproof. And Lightproof, if you want to sponsor this video, get at me. Sponsor this video, get at me. All right, let's go check out what's going downstairs in the basement, or the dungeon, as I like to call it. Let's go check out what's going on down there. Follow me, gentlemen. Follow me. Watch your head. This is not for the weary. Oh, shit. Look at all this. I wish this was the other kind of bricks. But as you can see, my team is here. He's working hard. Let's get this mag light. I'm gonna borrow this if you don't mind. Thank you. You know who you are. Right? Whoa, like Home Depot threw up in here. No, it's not. Yeah, looking like Home Depot threw up in here. Yeah, what we got in here? Okay. Stuff I know nothing about. More stuff I know nothing about. See, that was the old cast iron. And cast iron is what you don't want. Especially my plumbing people chime in. And that was the bathroom tub where it was leaking. And as you can see, the Flex Seal was here. Anywho, look at this marvelous masterpiece. For those of you who don't know what you're looking at, I don't know what I'm looking at. So for me to sit here and tell you, like, what is this? But this is definitely what you want to see. Versus that was there before. This is what you want to see. And as far as these panels go, my electrician will be here. I'm gonna upgrade the service to 200 amp. Right now I have a 100 amp service, and when you do that, those 2 meters up top where it says 1 and 2 need to go outside. Shout out Burger King for sponsoring this video. And yeah, that's the basement. I'm gonna clean all this up, of course. You know, because I can hear people now. Nah. Don't worry, it'll all be cleaned up and all be buttoned up. All right, so let's go upstairs now, because this shit kind of creeps me out. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Oh, there's a little light down here too. All right, let's close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Put my guy's shit back before you find out what the fuck I was doing or not doing. As I was saying, when you upgrade to 200 amp service, the meters need to go on the outside. The meters will go somewhere around there. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Bear with me. Let me tell you about this vlog shit. It gets in the way. I don't want to do it. It's annoying. There's more to think about. But I know the people I follow, and like, I'm glad they took the time to actually do it. This is just waste and drywall material that has to come out. As I said before, this is my goal today, is to get all of this out. Take out that tin ceiling. Take out this little paper mache shit. Finish the bathroom. Get that wall stuff out. Get that sink out. Get this out, and then the bathroom will be ready to go. Ready to go. My electricians, my plumbers can come in and do their rough ends. Nah! The shitter. The kind of shit that went or goes down there. Who knows? Anywho, right, but welcome back to my construction site. As you can see, some of the flooring debris has been taken out. There was a bunch of wood here. Took all that stuff out. Well, not me, on my team. Right? Trying to get all this cleaned up, buttoned up, framed out. Pick up some of these floors. And then this is where supplies come to die or come to hoard. But like I was saying, you know, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, go in the video, tell me what you do like, what you don't like, what kind of ideas you got. I hope it's not temperature in here. I hope not. Oh, okay. Bugging. But yeah, let me know what you guys think and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Alright, like I'm trying. Updates. What I need you to do is smash the like button and get chatty in the comment section. I told you I want all the smoke. Previous video, next thing to go up is the electrician, 100 amp to 200 amp service. The meters will go out here, as you can see. They'll go out. So the meters will go down there. Let's check on the progress down here. Last time, if you remember, we had some plumbing stuff going on. Let's see what we got down here. Some plumbing shit going on. Let's see. Haha, new windows for the upstairs. Pretty. So these panels will get upgraded to 200 amp service and it'll be everything brand new. As you can see, the plumbing had surgery. This plumbing system basically went to Dr. Miami and got a BBL done the right way. Before, the shit was botched. Now, this is a proper BBL. That's all the gut that I took out from the quack. Then I came in here and got a proper BBL done. As I said, these panels will be upgraded because as you can see, this thing is deteriorating. Look, see this? It's barely holding on for dear life. So that needs to be replaced. Stay tuned. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Trying out with the updates. Bear with me. Trying. Oh shit. That's crazy shit. Bear with me with the updates. Trying to do this as frequently as possible. Oh shit. Oh well. Anyways, let's go into the house. As you can see, floors are all but done. New flooring install. Minor button up, clean it up. Clean up the stuff. As you can see, brand new floors. Nice and cozy. And then plenty of storage for the next tenant. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs to the tippity top. Oh, stop the rock. Trash has to come out. Gotta figure out what the fuck I'm doing with the ceiling. Trash has to come out. Bam! As you can see, demo has begun. Check out the kitchen. No ceilings. Damn, pull up into the scene. My ceiling missing. Damn, my ceiling missing. My ceiling missing. No pun intended or pun intended. Whatever. As you can see, the kitchen's coming out. Brand new kitchen. We'll go here. Brand new cabinets, brand new uppers, brand new lowers, everything brand new. This has become the trash room. Some of the framing has begun. So let's talk about that. This will be one bedroom, and then the room will end here. This wall will be the back wall of the room, and then somewhere in between here will be the closet. If you're a closet person, and you know what this means, comment down below what this means. Anyways, let's transition. New appliances. This will be walled off, close the wall, so that won't be there. So let's not go through there. You see this? I want you guys to take this and smash that like button. Smash. Anyways, bathroom. I'm about to have the rough-ins with the electrical pretty soon. my electrician gonna come and run all his wires for the light and the fan, get everything roughed in. Now I got everything cleaned out and fully gutted. New windows, as you saw in the basement. This will be the living room. Living room. A little crazy right now, but bear with me. Living room. And then this will be the, I guess, the primary room, because it'll be the biggest. This is a closet. Let me see if I can show ya. Come on. Let me see if I can show you this closet. Yep. So this will be closet. Pretty wide closet. I'm 6'6", 260. Pretty wide closet. Closet. Do what it does. I don't know how you want me to say that's a closet, right? So that's the closet, and as you can see, these fucking doorways, it's too low. I'm gonna have these raise the roof. I'm gonna have these raised to 80 inches. But let's keep going. Walk in here. Like I said before, if you know what this means, put it down in the comment section. If you know what this means, go in the comment section. This is my GC. He set up shop. I'm impressed by this. This mofo made a table out of nothing. I actually want to keep this table for the basement. So when you're done with it, don't destroy it. Shout out to my GC. And as I was saying before, remember, there was a wall here. It was a tiny, 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 tiny room. There's a wall here, right? So now this is a solid wall where you see this new 2x4 framing, solid wall. And this is walled off, right? So this will be the headboard for the bed. And you got 2 windows in here for a nice size room. Let's get it done. Again, place new windows, as you can see. Yeah. And that's it. As my Uncle Lou would say,